So another video with VFD and or Nixie talk. So this one is an interesting little kit that is, it's all pre-built. I just have to put the tubes on. So this is one of them fancy, I believe it's a VU meter. I don't remember. But this little guy is one of them custom jobs where you put it in a cabinet or something like that, so it has wire that you can use for a very unique tube. Very cool tube. So this is the, does it say on here? So this is the driver board, the high voltage board for the tubes. And it's all pre-built, so all I got to do is I got to find this sucker online and then get any kind of documentation for this jobber, because it's got a bunch of stuff on here and it's all labeled with numbers. So this little bugger drives these tubes at 250 volts. Wow, that's amazing. And what this guy is a Magic Eye VU meter, and it uses these awesome tubes, these Magic Eye tubes. And if you've ever seen one of these lit up, these things are very nice. So here's the tube. This is the Magic Eye tube. There's a couple of different versions of Magic Eyes. You're probably familiar with the round one that faces you like this, and the thing's got like a, it goes around the tube. This one is the opposite, where it does this, or like this, something. I don't remember, but you look up these little guys. These are 6E117s, and these guys are in sockets, so you can take the tube out in case you need to install these in a cabinet. So here's the tube. Get that ring light glow out of them, because you can't see nothing now. But you can just imagine that whole kind of like spoon in there, all lit up in green. Very awesome. So it's one of them deals where you kind of use these things and you stick them in a project and you make it look awesome and stuff like that. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this particular kit. I got to find the instructions for it so I know where all these wires go. I thought I printed it, but I guess not. So there's nothing much else to say for this particular video, other than a little show and tell here of VFD or Nixie talk. But not no Nixies, but we got a Nixie right here, and it's pretty awesome. The 8-tube bugger. So we'll put this back in the bag here, and we'll bag up this video for now until I build it and or put it in something, and then show it off on camera or build it on camera or something. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.